Hello friends, and welcome back to Everyday Cooking with Mum and me. Today I would like to wish all of my YouTube family and friends a happy Diwali and prosperous new year ahead. I hope that your Diwali brings health, wealth and happiness. On this auspicious occasion of Diwali, we have made these lovely dates and figs ladoos. So let's get started on seeing how we're going to make these super easy yet very delicious ladoos. What are we waiting for? First, we will need 100 grams of walnuts, 200 grams of dates, 100 grams of almonds, 200 grams of figs, 100 grams of cashews, half a teaspoon of cardamom powder, 1 tablespoon of couscous, a few pinches of saffron and 1 tablespoon of ghee. The first step in this recipe is to add ghee into a pan and just let it melt for a few seconds. So then once this ghee has melted, we're going to add in our almonds, cashews and walnuts. These are the 3 dry fruits we are going to be using today. So we're just going to add them in now as the ghee is nicely melted. So those are our almonds, cashews and walnuts. So what we're going to do now is just slightly roast them till there's a nice tint of golden brown. So we're going to do this on a low to medium flame. And just let it sit there and soak in the nice flavours of ghee and let them roast for a few minutes. By that time, we're going to take our figs, which we soaked for about an hour in warm water just before this. And then we're also going to add in our dates and just crush them like this. So this is what our mixture looks like now. And now we're going to go back to our dry fruit mixture. So you can see that they have this nice golden brown colour. So now we're going to take them and place them into a different vessel. You might also get a nice scent of the ghee as all of the nuts have soaked it in. So our next step is just to take our figs and dates mixture and add in the saffron and cardamom powder. Then once we've given it a good mix, we can add back in the almonds, cashews and walnuts. And then once we've given this a really good mix, we're going to take this mixture out and just let it cool down for a few minutes until it's nice and easy to handle. So as you can see, we've got a lovely mixture and it's now cooled down. So we're going to place it into some cling film and take another plate out. So once we've made a little roll of it, we might also want to let this cool down for a bit more, just so it has that shape and almost binds together. By that time, we're going to add in our couscous onto a plate. And once we know that the mixture is nice and easy to handle, we're going to gently set it onto the plate and roll in the couscous just to make sure that it's nicely covered. We're going to check all the corners, and once they are, we're going to give this delicious mixture a shape. So we're just going to take some of it like so and make some small ladoos like this. Now it's time for plating! I hope you liked this video, and if you did, then please don't forget to drop a like, leave a comment, share with friends and family, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more amazing videos just like this one. Bye for now, thanks for watching, happy cooking!